The Northern Estate program itself is the budget is 1.5 billion pounds. It's a 10-year program. It's a program of works that's actually it's part of a larger program of works called the Restoration and Renewals Program, which is run by the Parliamentary Estate, sponsored by the House of Commons. So what the Restorations and Renewals Program is the restoration of the Palace of Westminster. Part of that program is to decant individuals from the Parliament because we can't do work within Parliament when people are in the building. So they need to be decanted into another usable office space. It's been designated the Northern Estate will be where they get moved to. But the Northern Estate itself is also in need of refurbishment. So the Northern Estate program is the refurbishment of the buildings in order to house the people from the parliamentary building. So the program has multiple data sets and it uses multiple systems. And what we needed was not only a consistency of information, but also a place where we could gather that data in one location and be able to provide that information from one single point. We call it a single source of truth. The main reasons were that we needed that consistent level across the program because there's multiple projects and we needed to make sure that everybody was consistent and reporting the same information in the same way. The good thing about Cora, one of the benefits is that it's configurable to our processes and procedures, and the level of support that we get from Cora is key. We're not in a queue like other service providers. It's real-time support and help. I like the idea of a phased approach, but it's really just taking people along for the ride and essentially giving them information and informing them of the benefits of the system that we're trying to roll out, rather than, this is being introduced by the PMO and use it or lose it kind of thing. We have the situation where individuals managing projects or particular aspects of projects, like commercial information, for instance, if they're using systems and tools such as Excel, it's controlled by them and held by them, maybe even on their laptop, as opposed to being shared and visible to other people. So having those data sets in different locations, it's challenging to pull all that information together, and you don't actually know if you have the right version, so there's a version control problem. So Cora can provide that this is the data, this is how we're going to communicate it, and there's no question of whether or not it's the right version.